Now at 6:30, we're learning more details about a deeply disturbing incident that the 12 News I-team first told you about last week at a Flagstaff nursing home.
A staff member has been found guilty of sexually assaulting an elderly woman who had memory issues in her room, all at a state licensed facility last year. But the state health department never investigated or even visited the site after learning about that assault.
The I-team's Bianca Bono live for us tonight in the studio. And Bianca, the big question, why did the state not follow up on this?
Guys, an ADHS spokesperson said the department had the option to inspect this facility, but decided not to. Tonight, the former ADHS director is reacting, calling the lack of state involvement unacceptable. Arizona Department of Health Services records show an inspection at a Flagstaff nursing home, The Peaks, in December of 2020. And not again until August of 2022. But what state records won't show is that in January of 2021, a staff member at The Peaks sexually assaulted a memory care patient in her room, only caught because another staff member witnessed it.
It's outrageous.
Will Humble, former ADHS director and current executive director for the Arizona Public Health Association, can't comprehend the lack of state action after such an egregious crime.
It's outrageous that a state agency wouldn't follow up on a verified report of a sexual assault by a staff member on a vulnerable patient in a nursing home, and they wouldn't even show up for 18 months.
According to a Flagstaff police report, a coworker walked in on Jonathan Chesley, apparently sexually assaulting an elderly resident. The victim's family filing a lawsuit against the facility, alleging bad hiring and training practices, saying the facility was negligent. Humble believes they should have included the state health department in the lawsuit too.
This is a high-risk situation that suggests that there could be a systemic problem, either with governance, hiring, staffing, training, oversight, supervision, that led to a situation that would allow this to happen. The only way you can tell whether that's the case is to go out and do a field investigation.
And that didn't happen. ADHS spokesperson Steve Elliott telling 12 News in an email they had the choice to conduct an on-site survey at the Peaks after they learned about the sexual assault, but chose not to. Therefore, ADHS never took action against the facility. When we asked why, Elliott said they don't have that information.
There is no doubt about it. There is no discretion. There is no judgment call. This is a high-risk situation.
Earlier this year, the Auditor General releasing a bombshell report revealing a widespread problem that after looking at records from July of 2019 to April of 2021, the state health department did not investigate complaints quickly enough, or sometimes at all in nursing homes, including reports of abuse.
It's super sad, and the people of Arizona deserve better.
Elliott telling 12 News the department has since changed its process. Now, whenever a serious crime is reported at a state licensed facility, they'll respond and conduct an on-site survey, looking for any gaps in following state rules and regulations. And the suspect in that sexual assault case was found guilty last month and is scheduled to be sentenced in Flagstaff in December. Court records show the Flagstaff facility did settle with the victim's family. Bianca Bono, 12 News.